New at 9, a special community discussion held in North Tulsa tonight focused on helping women in the Black community who are suffering from domestic abuse.
Domestic Violence Intervention Services, or DVIS as many of you know it, says more Black women are dealing with abuse compared to the rest of the community. Fox 23's Alex Cash is live after attending that meeting, and she found out more for us. Alex.
This meeting was held here at Friendship Church in North Tulsa earlier on this evening. The people behind it say domestic abuse affects the Black community more. They say they want to raise awareness of it and so that more people will reach out and get help. Shelby Torrance works for DVIS, Domestic Violence Intervention Services in Tulsa. She says culturally, Black women face a stigma in getting help for domestic abuse.
We are taught to be strong and we are to be protective of our families and our friends, our neighbors, our community. And so when we reach out for help, it could be seen as a sign of weakness. And also just the fear of being judged on the way that we present ourselves. A lot of times people think that Black women are aggressive.
Torrance was just one of a panel of speakers at a special community meeting held at Friendship Church in North Tulsa Wednesday night. DVIS says in Oklahoma, Black women make up 8% of the state population, but suffer nearly 25% of female domestic violence and homicides. Tracy Lyle is the CEO of DVIS.
It's concerning if we have a segment of our population that is adversely impacted by violence and disproportionate to other parts of our community. It's worth putting our time into and having some conversations and bringing awareness to this part of the community.
The meeting talks about some of the barriers people face reaching out for help. Torrance says some women have a fear of getting help because of a possible backlash from the community.
So a lot of times people fear that they're going to be called a snitch or that they turned their back on the Black man and that they are no longer supporting their community and that it's the survivor's fault that person is going to jail.
Tulsa police were also at the meeting. They say they're working hard to break down barriers to reporting abuse with liaisons and mental health training. Torrance says the best thing anyone can do is believe victims and ask for help.
Report. There's always support. Always call our crisis line.
DVIS says if you need help, you can call that crisis line. They say it's open 24 hours a day. The number for that is 918-743-5763. Covering news that matters, I'm Alex Cash, Fox 23 News.